In order to completely delete your Supercell account or Supercell ID, the first thing you want to do is open up a Supercell game. I'm in Clash Royale. You can be in any of their games. And then you need to navigate to the settings. Normally, it's like the 3 lines that you see here in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. And then it takes you to a gear icon, and you want to tap into settings. Once you're under the settings, you want to go to the help section. It may say help and info, but you'll see a help section. Tap into that there. And then it will look like this, where you can browse support by topic. You then want to tap into account, like I've done here. And then you want to go to where it says access or delete your data, tap and expand that. And then at the bottom there, or towards the bottom, you'll see something that says request deletion of your personal data. Tap into that option there. It'll then bring up this page where you want to tap that blue button once more that says delete my data. Just understand when you do this, it will completely delete your ID and everything linked to it, like your progress. There will be a brief amount of time where you can undo this, but it is a very short amount of time. So know that you want to do this before you go through the process. Tap the blue button that says delete my data. You will then be presented with a chatbot. This is all automated, and you want to go and make sure that you select these options. You want to go to request or delete my data. You want to make sure it says delete my data, and then keep following this until you get here where it says, do you want to start a new game? And then you say no. Also delete the current game. That's another question that it may ask you. And then once you've done that, you will then see at the very bottom where it says, I agree to delete my data. Once the chat gets to this point and you select that response, the countdown will begin, and the process of you deleting and removing your Supercell ID account has begun. And just know that if you're wanting to start a new game, that you can't do it immediately. So if you're trying to start over from a fresh account, I would just create a new account. It makes it a lot easier. But when you're ready, you go to I agree to delete my data, tap that, the countdown will begin. You'll see it on top of the games when you log into your account. And within a few days or a week per se, your account will be deleted. Again, this is how you delete your Supercell ID. If you have any questions, put those down below. I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.